Do you want to draw this, but somehow your drawing ends up looking like this? Well, fear no more. In this video, we're gonna talk about the basic anime proportions and how you can correctly draw faces with the proper measurements. To be clear, there is no actual measurement for the face, but here are some guidelines that's gonna help you guys draw better. So, let's start. We have here a typical hot anime guy face, and now we're gonna break down his features into measurements. Keep in mind the simple 50-50-50 rule. Now, what is this rule? Start from the top of the head down to the very bottom of the chin. This is the entire length of the head. So if we were to cut that in half, you'll notice that the eyes are almost aligned with that line. This means that half the head is where the eyes are. Just a quick tip though, you can adjust how old your character looks by changing the position of the eyes. If you want your character to look young, draw the eyes a little bit lower, and if you want them to look old, draw it higher. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd appreciate it if you give this video a like. So now your anime head is cut in half. We're gonna cut the lower half in half. And you guessed it, that's where the nose will be. So we're gonna cut it in half once again, and that's where the mouth will be. Also, here's some additional useful information. The eyes are one eye apart. The nose and the mouth, however, vary from art style to art style and person to person. Some people have big lips, while some people have even bigger, juicy lips. Using everything we applied earlier, we can go ahead and draw the head. Start with a circle and then draw a cross. Draw a diagonal line, then connect it to the chin using a curvy line for the jawline. So draw the eyes in the middle. If you don't know where to place it, draw an imaginary eye in the middle of the vertical line. It's gonna be your guide to drawing symmetrical eyes. So now we're just gonna follow the 50-50-50 rule and draw the nose and the mouth. Next up, the top of the ears are actually aligned with the eyes, while the bottom is aligned with the nose. So I'm just gonna estimate where the hairline is. So now all that's left to do is clean up the sketch. I simply just erased the guidelines and drew on some details on the eyes. And then I drew the hair. And this is it. Anyway, I hope you guys found this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay cool!